welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. Dabalkars threw Hindu religious organization out of their meet. Say they don't want fanatism on temple issue. Take responsibility of temples in your locality, says Home Minister Ravi Naik. Goa to get its voice soon. It's Kingfisher Voice of Goa. And Sporting Club de Goa celebrates its victory. Now the news in detail. It was a nightmare for the leaders of Mandir Suraksha Samiti, Bajrang Dal and Shiv Sena at Dabal. Their provocative speeches at Sateri temple forced locals to close down the meeting that was held to condemn the desecration of idols on Thursday night.
Hundreds of people had turned up for this meeting on Saturday evening that was held to condemn the desecration of their temple deities. The meet was also attended by members of Mandir Suraksha Samiti, Bajrang Dal, Shiv Sena and other organizations. The aim of meeting was to highlight various measures to protect the deities from any kind of vandalism and desecration. Members of local panchayat were also present at this meet. In their provocative speeches, leader of Bajrang Dal, Mandir Suraksha Samiti, blamed government and police for failing to stop such desecration. But locals were waiting for more concrete solution rather than just provocative speeches.
गवर्नमेंट आहे उनका पॉलिटिक्स ना आम्ही माझ्या सगळ्या किती करपाचे हो कोणचे वाचपाचे ना कोणचे वाचपाचे सेवा कोणी वाचपाचे अशा पद्धतीने आमचं सांगा की आम्हाला गवर्नमेंट आमचे जे सर्टिफिकेट आहे की आम्ही लोक या सातगावचे लोक ठरवतात आता 7-8 समज देऊळ असतात त्या देऊळाच्या आम्ही किती करपाचे आम्ही अंगाच्या उतरता आणि आम्ही अंगाच्या मस्तक लागतात सगळ्यांनी जर
A women punch members also left the platform after seeing the angry reaction of people. When our reporter Mayur Naik asked the Sarpanch Rama Gaukar why the lady punch had left, he said,
ना कितें ते लेडीज पंच असल्या कारणान ताका ते हेजे रूपरेषा कांय खबर ना तेंचे मंदिर सुरक्षा समितीची रूपरेषा ताका कांय खबर ना कशी कितें चल्लां तें पंचायत मार्फत आमी लोकल जे देवळां आसा त्या देवळाच्या प्रत्येक कमिटीक आपोवन आनी पुलिसेक आपोवन हांचे बद्दल हे सुरक्षा कशी दिवची आनी हेजी फुडली कृती कशी करपाची हेजेर आमी मंगळार मिटींग आपयल्या अर्जंट मिटींग आपयल्या.
Later the meeting was called off and members of Mandir Suraksha Samiti, Bajrang Dal and Shiv Sena were shown the back door by the locals. Meanwhile, the political blame game has begun on temple desecrations. Jitendra Deshprabhu has alleged BJP's satellite organization behind the temple desecrations.
की यात आता मालेगावच्या ब्लास्ट मध्ये आपण कोणाकोणाची तरी नावं घेतली होती पण त्यात एक भाजपला संबंधित असलेली साध्वी VHP आणि बजरंग दलला पूर्णपणे संबंधित असलेले जे लोक आहेत तेच तर गुंतलेले आहेत. आणि मला खात्री आहे की गोव्यात भाजपचे हे अभियान आहे की त्यांची जी सॅटेलाइट एजन्सीज आहेत हे सॅटेलाइट एजन्सीज हे सगळं घडवून आणतात.
He also added that they have information of such desecrations to likely to happen in North Goa also. Now with the Pale by-election round the corner, more political drama on temple desecrations is obvious to unfold more allegations. Our reporter from Sawarde Mayur Naik and Rakesh Kanorkar in Panji.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has appealed to the social activists in the state to start patrolling the temples instead of coming on the roads. This statement of his has come after Chief Minister clarified on Saturday that providing protection to each and every religious structure in the state is practically impossible.
While speaking on the issue of temple desecration, Naik said that there is no sufficient police force to take care of each and every temple. He has also appealed social workers to protect the temples by taking protective measures.
शक्य ना पोलीस इथे प्रत्येक वाटपाला पोलीसच पावपाचे ना बघील जे मुख्य असे देवळा ना आता पळय असं पळय मुख्य देवळ बसा अशी तरी ह्या सोशल वर्कर असे हेंका दिसता हे कोयंकणाक प्रत्येकाने हे खरं म्हणल्यार प्रत्येक गांवांनी आपल्या ह्या असा इतले लोक भायर रस्त्यार बंद करपा बोळ करपा
तेव्हा ते प्रत्येक घुमटे आपण वाटून घेवचे, रातचे हे करचे, राखपाचे प्रयत्न करचे, पहार दिवचो, कित्याक करना हे फक्त इशू करपाचें पळयता. देव राखा मरे सगळे, देवा हे करपा नाका, सांबाळपा नाका. तुम्ही करता देव, पण देवा सांबाळ करा मरे, तुम्ही करा, पुलिसाक हेल्प करा, कोणी मेळ्ळा रोखडें दिया.
He further stated that culprit will not be spared and also asked the people to cooperate with police in the investigation.
जे असं माथेफिरू आसतले किंवा हे देंवचार जाले आसतले, ते देवा मानिनाशिल्ले अशे लोकूच हे करूं शकता, किंवा हे राजकीय हितून कांय बेनिफीट घेवपाचे प्रयत्न चल्ल्यात. पण हे जे आसा हे उघड जातले, पण हे कितें करता, हे लोकां भितर डिवायड करचे, हे जातींनी धर्मांनी वाटलेले ते झगडत रावचे आनी तेंचे विकास जावचो ना, प्रगती जावची आनी राज्याची जावची ना, तेंची जावची न्हू. म्हणजे हे काही लोक प्रयत्न करतात ज्यांका विचार आसा काय खबर ना, त्या विचारांचे मनीस जे आसा ते खबर ना, काय तेंच्या फाटल्यान कोण तरी आसात अशें ते अशे मनशांक वापरतात. पण हे मनीस फाल्यां त्रासा पडटले, जाले नंतर हे मनीस त्रासा पडटले, आतां ते चुकले, मातशें चुकले, पूण हेका बंद करपाची गरज ना किंवा रस्ते आडोवपाची गरज ना. म्हणजे तुम्ही लोकांक आनी त्रास करता, एक वेळ ते त्रास करपाक पळयता आनी प्लस हे त्रास करपाक पळयता, चूक अशें करचें न्हू. आनी कायदो हाती घेवपाचे कोणें प्रयत्न करचे न्हू. आमी जितले वगी रावले तितले वगी रावतले, पूण जे वेळेन कायदे घेतला ते प्रत्येक मनशाक आपापले जे आसा जागयतले आमी जागा.
The time will tell its own story, but for now, it's up to the people of Goa to protect their gods and temples. Our reporter in Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
Bomb scare still rules the mind of the people. Goa has been facing the rumours from a long time now. After Vasco, it was Madgav's turn on Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday night witnessed some strong bomb rumours. Belapur Zonal Control Room got information that Mangala Express, Netravati and Bikaner Express coming from Ernakulam, Kerala to Margaon has a bomb. Goa police, accompanied by railway police and bomb squad, reached to the station and inspected all the trains.
So on this information, we have started checking the railway station. All the trains have been checked. 2 trains already left. And now Bikaner Express is leaving. We have checked the Bikaner Express also. And at Thivim also we have kept a bomb disposal store. As on the information, we will check the trains also. But the passenger boarding the train will be checked at the railway station entrance.
About a month back, Kerala police had tipped Goa police of explosives being transported in the state through the same train. Police had checked all the trains even that time and realized that it was a false alarm. Our reporter in Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.